All right, everybody. Good morning, and welcome back to Smoking Swamp Outdoors. All right, folks. This is going to be a quick video. Yesterday, we got a load of mulch in. They were clearing some lines, our power lines and stuff. So instead of them having to haul it away somewhere, we're going to put it in our garden. It's all good wood. It's got oak, palm fronds in it, cedar, pine trees. So we got some storms fixing to come in today. If y'all are into storms and like crazy wild weather, hit that subscribe button. I'm a certified storm chaser, so this could go wet and wild. But I just wanted to give everybody an update on what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be putting all that mulch in that 20 by 40 garden over there that we're building. All right. I'll give everybody an update when I get done. It's about 7 yards, so 7 to 10 yards they said. So I'll be transferring all by hand. Stay tuned and be ready for anything wild. All right, everybody. We about got one trailer loaded here. My neighbor going by. All right, folks. There's the first load. I'll be back for the second. All right, everybody. Quick update. So, what we're doing is, as some of y'all may know, I've got a 20 by 40 garden that I'm building up. And yesterday we got a whole bunch of free mulch, as y'all just seen the pile. So what I'm doing is I got my trailer here, and I'm trying to spread one load evenly every 20 by 10 feet. Try to spread it as evenly as possible for as much nutrition as possible. So kind of go along, sling it, and kind of fill in the holes. So got my first one empty. Fixing to get the rest of it. Hopefully everything will come along beautifully. All right, everybody. Top off our second load. All right, load 2, ready to spread. All right, folks, we got it all cleaned up. Show everybody what we did here. We got 90% of it put inside the garden. As y'all can see, ready to go for next year, Lord willing. What we're going to do is obviously we'll keep it wet, and I'm going to let it go a couple of months before I till it up one time, so that way it gets broke down real well. Say good morning, ladies. What y'all doing? Yep, y'all are about to get some breakfast here in just a minute after I get on talking to the people. And I went ahead and filled up my compost boxes. So, got those filled up. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I've been a busy couple of days. Went ahead and topped off our in-ground boxes as well for next year. So, all right, folks, hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more outdoors. And be ready for anything wild.